Cordeo, or Satoshi BTCs, is set to be listed on exchange platforms in the third quarter of this year, which is the month of September. Note that mining will end on December 12th of this year. I am making this video for the sake of the new miners. This tutorial is all about ways you can boost your mining rate. If you find this helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Number 1. Boost your mining rate by the use of gift cards. Tap gift card in the menu. Then tap use gift card. Choose any of the 10 gift cards here. It is also in the description. If the gift card is used, choose another one. Tap confirm after pasting the code. Number 2. The use of hash cards. Click hash card menu. There are two ways you can use the hash cards. Either you initiate or join already initiated card by other miners. Let's start with initiate. Choose one of hash card you want to exchange. Click initiate on it. Choose number of people you want. Click 5 people. Click initiate again. 5 slots was made, so you need another miners to join your slots. Copy code and share it to other miners. You can do it fast by joining Telegram hashcard exchange groups. Keep posting your hashcard code until the slots are full. Then click execute exchange. Confirm and close. Do it again with other hashcard codes. Joining another miner's hashcards. Go to your BTCs application. Click join on the kind of hashcard that you want to join. You can go to Telegram group. Then copy hashcard code from the newest post there. Paste code to box. Confirm and close, and leave it until they execute exchange. If they don't execute exchange for a long time, you can cancel exchange. Number 3. Get free Satoshi hash card. Open your application. Tap the white paper. Scroll down to the bottom. You will find digital address. Tap on the address several times, until you get Satoshi card. Then tap the hash card menu and use it like other cards. Number 4. Referrals. Tap on recruit miners. Copy your referral link and send to people you want to register, so they will use your link. You can send your link to people through emails, WhatsApp, SMS, or any medium of your choice. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.